Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to scrape product data from any e-commerce website in just one click. It's super easy. Take Walmart as an example. The tool we'll use is called Thunderbit. Open it from your Chrome extension to get started. First, search for the product you want to scrape. You can also add filters manually, like choosing only products rated 4 stars and above. Click one-click extract, and Thunderbit's AI will begin analyzing the product results. It detects the page structure, identifies the product listings, and prepares the fields for extraction. Confirm the suggested fields such as product name, URL, image, price, rating, availability, seller information, and more. You can adjust the fields manually if needed. For pagination, you can choose how many pages you want to scrape, or choose until end to scrape through the last page. In this demo, I'll select 3 pages. If everything looks right, hit Run Now and wait for Thunderbit to collect the data in the background. Once the task is finished, open the result table. And there you are, a clean, organized spreadsheet with all the information you need. You can export the data to Excel, CSV, or JSON. Try Thunderbit free on thunderbit.com.